In the heart of a peaceful neighborhood, a man decided to pull a light-hearted prank on his unsuspecting friend. He placed a bucket of water atop a slightly ajar door, aiming for classic comedic effect. Excitement built as his friend approached, but just as the door swung open, the prankster's pet cat pounced from an overhead shelf, knocking the bucket off balance. Instead of soaking his friend, the self-conscious feline triggered a surprising turn, dousing the prankster himself. The unexpected twist left everyone in stitches, showcasing just how unpredictable and entertaining everyday life can be. It was a comical scene, emphasizing the humorous side of unplanned outcomes,